easy dental extraction kit includes 19 different instruments. The knife handle, number 3 graduated in millimeters, displays 10 to 15. The periotome includes a serrated blade, which easily cuts periodontal ligaments and is coated for durability. It is used for tooth extraction with minimal tissue damage, with one end measuring 2 millimeters and the other measuring 2.5 millimeters. The number 23 Williams Probe Explorer consists of a sharp point at the end of the Explorer, which is used to enhance tactile sensation. The kit also includes the Grade B standard. The Veterinarian Dental Lip Retractor 6-inch consists of medical grade coating, which can be autoclave able, and the long ratchet allows for extra flexibility. Feline Peristyle Elevator is double-ended, one end measuring 2.0 millimeters and the other measuring 3.5 millimeters. The Canine Peristyle Elevator is also double-ended, one end measuring 3.5 millimeters and the other 5.5 millimeters. 4.5-inch double curved supercut with graded scissors consists of a serrated blade, which provides the scissor a razor-sharp blade that makes a clean cut without. The H-Matic Forceps is specially designed for feline and canine, with a tapered, narrow, cross-serrated beak, providing a sturdy 9-foot grasp. The male Hager needle holder consists of a ratcheted finger ring instrument. Feline luxating elevators measure 1.3 millimeters. One is inward and the other is outward. Then there's the Adson tissue forceps with the fenestrated handle. They're 4 3/4 inch and 1x2 teeth, 4 back teeth. The kit also includes the wing lux set, 6 color-coded, luxating winged elevators. The tip is thin, narrow, delicate, and sharper, providing less tissue damage. The color coding allows for easy identification. The sizes are 1.5, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 millimeter shorthand.